Hello, it's Mike Grady from Business Fuel Tools, and I'm answering the question of the week. Now, the question we got is, why is Clickfunnels so famous? Well, the short answer is training. The Clickfunnels software is just a tool. The reason people are so successful with Clickfunnels is Russel Brunson has focused on one critical thing. That's training. I'll say it again. It's the training. See, let me give you an example. Airplanes are a great invention. An airplane can take you from the east coast of the U.S. to the west coast of the U.S. and do that in about 3 hours. An airplane can take you from the U.S. to, say, Europe in about 10 hours. And an airplane can take you from the USA all the way to the other side of the planet in about 19 hours. Now, let me ask you a question. Would you buy a ticket on an airplane with a pilot that never learned how to fly it? No, you probably wouldn't. I wouldn't. See, ClickFunnels success is based on ongoing training. See, Russell and his 400 plus employees have provided many free and paid training opportunities over the last 5 years. Russell has personally written 2 books. The first is .com Secrets. The second was Expert Secrets. And then he actually has Traffic Secrets, which is coming out in May of 2020. Now, .com Secrets teaches funnel strategies. Expert Secrets teaches how to sell products to people that have a need or a problem. Traffic Secrets is going to actually teach how to drive traffic to your offers using all the old school methods that still work. See, Russell has Funnel Fridays on YouTube Live and also Facebook Live. He's also got Instagram stories where you can actually watch Russell build funnels for himself and for ClickFunnels users that need some help. You can listen to Funnel Hacker Radio where Dave Woodward interviews people who have made hundreds, thousands, and millions of dollars using funnels and funnel strategies. Russell actually personally has a daily podcast where he talks about how he actually is building ClickFunnels as a company. And he actually started at day number 1 and went from 0 to 100 plus million dollars in 5 years. And you can listen to every single challenge he went through. Now, in my opinion, the best program is the One Funnel Away Challenge, where Russell takes you step by step in his hands through every step of the funnel building process over a 30-day period. Each day of the 30 days has a specific homework assignment for you to do. If you do all the assignments after 30 days, you will have a fully functioning funnel. Couldn't be easier than that. I have personally been through the One Funnel Away Challenge 3 times. I built funnels for my manufacturing business, my West Coast Swing Dance Academy, my organic soil business, and we're currently working on a fresh fruit to-go business. Now, the other thing about ClickFunnels is there are a lot of support groups. ClickFunnels has the Funnel Hacker Facebook group, which has over 100,000+ members. They also have a private group once you're a ClickFunnels member where you actually get to talk to live ClickFunnels users. You can ask a question and get many solutions from many experienced people that are actually using the software. ClickFunnels also has a once-a-year event called Funnel Hacker Live. This year, the event is in Nashville, Tennessee. I believe it's in February. You can actually go, sit in a room, meet with, talk to, and hang out with over 5,000 ClickFunnels active users. These are real people just like you, just like me. You could be sitting next to someone who's brand spanking new, who just got started, or you could be sitting next to somebody who's a multimillionaire using the ClickFunnels software. So again, the important point here is the key is not that ClickFunnels is popular because it's ClickFunnels, because ClickFunnels is just a software. It's just a tool for your business. The most important product or thing that you get from being a ClickFunnels member is the training or the opportunity to buy into some of those trainings. So what I would say to you is if you want to be successful, don't think, don't reinvent the wheel, and don't complicate the process. Just follow the training and the steps that have been put together by Russell and other successful entrepreneurs. And if you follow that, you'll have a successful map and a funnel. And then the dollars that you earn will be based on the number of people that you can help solve a problem or a challenge that they have. And really, here's the secret. The more people you help, the richer you'll be. So I hope this answer helps your business. And if you decide to, if you want to get start your ClickFunnels free trial, you get 14 days free. I'm going to put a link in the description below. We actually put together 13 step-by-step ClickFunnels quick start video tutorials to take you through everything you need to do to get your funnel up as quickly as possible so you can maximize the entire 14 days and start generating revenues in 2 weeks. So hopefully that's a benefit for you. There's a link in the description below. And again, I hope this answer in this video helps your business.